Welcome to Easy Coloring Drawing. Hello my dears. Today I am drawing makeup kit. I am using a black marker and a watercolor.
Woo!
Please subscribe. It's going to be so colorful after the painting.
Woo!
Now I am drawing a lipstick. Let's to paint together. Red color.
Woo!
Yellow color.
Woo!
Purple color.
Woo!
Pink color.
Woo!
Red color.
Woo!
Blue color.
Woo!
Green color.
Woo!
See you on next video.